Welcome back for another video. Today, we're at the gun range. We're shooting off some clips, shooting off some rounds, and then we're going to LT to ride some dirt bikes. So, best of both worlds here today.
There we go. Shooting for boobies today. For boobies. I don't know where it's going at. I don't know. Wherever you're aiming at.
Shot the nipples.
Got the titties, boys.
All right, we just arrived at LT. We went and shot a couple rounds at the shooting range down the street. Now we're about to ride. So let's get after it. All right, we're with the boys. Just went out for the first lap. It was fucking awesome. I did like 8 laps at least. Now we're about to get some GoPro footage and some camera footage. Dylan, you got anything you want to say?
And Jews. Anti-Semitic. I like that. R.I.P. Charlie Kirk.
Toast. Well, I think that's the end of this one. Everyone is kind of beat already. I should have started recording right away, but I wanted to ride today, so I rode for a little bit, had the GoPro on. But it's my first time at LT. This place was awesome. Didn't think the 150 was gonna make it, but it did just fine. 150 was barking. Had to do a little sprocket change. But yeah, definitely want to come back here. This place is sweet. So, hope you like this video. Subscribe right now. We'll be pumping out content like this the rest of this year and coming to the next year. So, get with the program. Well, yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.